Good morning, you guys. I tried to get my document camera to work and it is not working, so I'm going to have to go through this very quickly. Calculations using your scientific calculator with scientific notation. So this is an add-on to what you guys just listened to. I just want to show you a few different types of calculators that you guys might have. If for some reason you have your phone, and that is your only option today, that will work today, but you have to have a scientific calculator for this chapter. No ifs, ands, or buts. So let me kind of get started here. So I've got two examples of very popular scientific calculators. When it comes to putting things into scientific notation, there are a few very important keys. In this guy, this Texas Instrument, you should find a key. If I can find it here, this is not a great picture. Search for like a double E key that would be written right above one of these keys. I think it's this one right here. So if you have a Texas Instrument that looks like this, in order to put something in scientific notation, you're going to have to hit the second key and then whatever key that double E is right above. And I think it is this one. Like I said, it's a little blurry on this end. If you're using this calculator, this is my favorite calculator. In order to put something into scientific notation, you're going to use the EXP key. So for instance, if I had to take like 4.56, I would hit then EXP. That gives me times 10 and gives me a chance to put in my exponent. And then I put my exponent like 3 and then times 2.99 EXP to the 16th and then equals. And that's going to give me my answer. So if you've got a calculator like this, that EXP key is very important. That is going to put you into the times 10. So the EXP gives you the 10, but you're going to have to key in the X. Again, this one, I'm pretty sure it's this key, double E, but you have to hit the second before you hit the double E. Let's look at a few other calculators here. Get to it. Try this again. Just kidding. Okay, here's a few more options. This guy right here, the key you're looking for is the double E. So if you're keying something in 2.51, this would be times 10, and then let's say to the negative third, and then see divided by. See if I can get my arrow back. So like 2.35. Double E is times 10 to the 9th would be your exponent, divided by 9.2 double E to, let's say, negative third is equals to. So what you're looking for on this is the double E, and again, he gives you the times 10, and you have to key in that exponent. This guy right here, he is a little bit tricky. So if you have this calculator right here, you actually have to put your values, your scientific values, into these parentheses. And this one is a little tricky. If memory serves me, you are looking for this times 10 to the X key. I think it's right here, but in order to use it, this times 10 to the X, you'll have to search your calculator. But in order to use it, you'd have to press the second key. So let's say you did 7.8 second times 10, this key, and then put in your exponent times 8.9. Second, here's your times 10 to the x key is equal to. And this guy, I am pretty sure you have to put your values into parentheses in order to get your answer to be correct. Last one right here. This is the calculator that I have here at home. So I would use my double E key right here. So again, I would key in like 2.3, hit the double E key, so that's times 10. Then I would hit my exponent, and then I would do times my next value, so 1.24, let's say, double E, okay, to my exponents, let's say 8 is equal to. This guy right here, he's pretty popular too. I like him because it's pretty easy to find your EXP key, but this time it's times 10 to the X key. So that's the key that you're going to use. So if I was going to key in like 4.25 times 10, I would hit this key, and then I would hit my number for my exponent, let's say 9, divided by 2.36 times 10 to the x right here, and then I would key in my exponent, let's say 9 is equal to. So take a second here, and I'm going to give you a problem, and I'm going to let you know what the answer is, and see if it works out for you. So like I said, my calculator that I have at home is right here, and if I could get my document camera to work, then I would show you exactly how to do this, but let's just try a problem together. Okay, so my first problem would be, let's see, 4.6, let's try that again, 4.56 double E to the third is my exponent, times 2.99 double E, again, you're going to have to find your exponent key, to my exponent is the 16th, is equal to 1.3, I'm going to round, 6 times 10 to the 20th. Let's try one more problem. Now if you're having issues, then ask somebody around you, or of course you can ask me tomorrow. Let's try one more problem. So 5.79, I'm going to hit my double E key. You're going to hit whichever key you have. So it might be times 10 to the x. So 5.79 double E to the 23rd is my exponent, divided by 4.97 double E, my exponent is to the 15th, and then is equal to, and I'm going to round my main number, 1.16 times 10 to the 8th is what your answer should be. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Again, if you do not have your scientific calculator and you have to use your phone today and only today, if you access the calculator and you turn it on its side, you will see a double E key, and you could use that today if need be, but you'll need to get your hands on the calculator. I actually went to Walmart yesterday because I left my calculator at work, and so they have a ton of these calculators right here, the TI-30XA, and it was $10. So you definitely need a scientific calculator for this chapter. If I can get my document camera to work, I will throw in some more examples so you can actually see me using my calculator. But for now, this is going to have to work. Hope you guys have a great day. And after my doctor's appointments, I'm going to work on those tests. So be good for the sub and have a fabulous day and stay warm.